egg. This is baby crab. When they bite and they pray, and after they put the back there. That not to eat. It just this also. Somebody eat, but mostly people they buy this and they put them back. In the morning, very early, they have it quickly and bring to here. Some of them bring to here and stay here and sell themselves. Like a husband bring to here and his wife stay here sell. Because you know in Vietnam, I'm sorry, but in Vietnam, lady is very good for bargain. I mean Vietnamese lady is good for bargain. So the seller also the lady, and the guest to buy also the lady. See, good for bargain. Sorry, I don't know, but you know, you too. All right, and some bring to here and sell for the lady who have no gas. See? And they stay here until noon time, around 11 or 12, because after that they have to return the road for the people. And you can see a lot of house or big station here, they still closed because they open all day and they pay for tax. This lady half day they pay a little bit fee, so the price here is cheaper. See, and you see a lot of people buy from on the street. And until noon time, you know, around here there are a lot of small market which open all day. So at noon time they come here to buy the food or vegetable from that lady. If that lady, they still have something because you know, they of course they some sell all, but some stay there, and they sell cheap rice for another people. Vietnamese sweet potato. See, many color.
Many colors.
Sweet potato. Yeah. This is a bitter melon.
Oh, that's good.
This is the loofah.
Okay.
Oh.
Cucumber. See? Pumpkin. Light. This is also a melon. It's like a vegetable. Chicken egg.
Oh, it's like eggplant.
This mushroom, straw mushroom. This is cassava. Yeah?
That long one?
Yeah, cassava. Peanut. Mango. Tomato. Taro.
Taro.
That's taro.
Yeah.
You know the taro sometimes they are allergic with skin. So this the white one. She peel the cell. See?
Oh.
Yeah. So when you buy there. Some people are allergic. Yeah.
So during rainy season, all of this stops?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This morning glory. See? Just a couple hours it's gone. If they have something, the people in another market they come, they buy cheap one. So every day like this. Anchovy fish paste. The people they keep crab by ice cube.
So where are they catching this?
This is the farm.
Farm?
Yeah. Stingray.
Oh, yeah.
Lamb. This fish. It's still alive.
Oh, yeah. It's, yeah.
This from the, you know, it's near the beach and the river, so the water is like a little bit salty. This from the farm, yeah, different. See, still alive.
So what's being caught like out here?
Here, here they do it early in the morning.
Right.
Yeah, but here the river very deep.
Right.
So when they dig that, it's not so deep. Like a riverside, on the riverside, they do that. They have a cave, and they have to put a lantern or the candle in there at night time. And when they go to the cave, never go out. Just go in, never go out. Female, on the bell, different belly. It's feel like it's keep water, keep fresh for the crop, and a little bit heavy. A little bit heavy when they wait to sell. See? Can survive at least for half a day. Half a day. At least half a day. See, this keep. Oh.
Cilantro.
Can smell. Spring onion, very fresh. See?
Nice.
Oh yes, smells nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, very fresh. See? Take with you a lot for soup and bánh mì. Soup and bánh mì also.
Vô đây, vô, đúng rồi.
Đường sau chứ đứa sau đó luôn đâu. Có còn không nữa.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Cảm ơn mọi người rất là nhiều ạ.
We're in Hanoi, Vietnam, northern Vietnam.